To my channel Shimmers and Polishes. Hope you all are doing well. If you are new here, I create beauty and lifestyle videos. So welcome to Shimmers and Polishes, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon next to it for notifications. In today's tutorial, I have come up with another easy Valentine's eye makeup look. It's pink, there's rhinestones, it's romantic and perfect for the Valentine's or any occasion. So if you're interested, then please keep on watching. To begin with, I'm going to prime my lids with LA Girls Pro Conceal in the shade Pure Beige, and I'm going to blend that all well with a concealer brush, or you can use any flat brush. And next I'm going to set that in place with Colourpop setting powder in the shade Translucent. For this eye makeup look, I'm going to use only one palette, and that is Colourpop's Ooh La La palette, and I'm going to use a shade called Poodle from that palette as my transition shade, and I'm going to blend that all well, and I'm going to add on the color till I'm happy with the color payoff. And next I'm going to use this shade called Opulent, and I'm going to apply that with my fingers. It's a beautiful metallic shade, and I'm going to apply that all over my lid. And then I'm going to use a brush and I'm going to apply that same color all over my lid. Now with the same color, I'm going to create a nice winged liner with it. So I'm using a flat shader brush here, and I'm going to create a nice wing, and I'm going to fill that all with the same color as well. I'm taking my time, look straight into the mirror and create a nice wing right above my natural crease. And I'm going to use a shade called Sandbar from the same palette, and I'm going to create a wing again. Just I don't want to use any other colored eyeliner, so I'm going to use this shade to create that eyeliner, and I'm going to use that on a angled brush. And once I'm done with that, I'm going to use Sugar's Brow Definer in the shade Cherry Brown, and I'm going to fill in the sparse areas of my brows. For my under eye dark circles, I'm going to use LA Girls Pro Conceal in the shade Medium Beige first, and I'm going to blend that all well with a flat concealer brush. And next on that, I'm going to use Maybelline's Age Rewind Concealer in the shade Medium, and I'm going to blend that all well. And once I'm done with that, I'm going to set that all with Colourpop setting powder in the shade Translucent. For my upper waterline, I'm going to use Maybelline's Colossal Kohl in black, and for my lower waterline, I'm going to use Wet n Wild's colored Kohl in Calling You Buff. It's a beautiful nude color, and I'm going to use the same shade called Poodle from the palette, and I'm going to smoke out my lower waterline. I just love how the nude liner looks like. I'm going to use the first shimmer shade from the same palette as my inner corner and brow bone highlight. I love how this looks like. I know it's a little too crazy, but then yeah, it's Valentine's Day. And once I'm done with that, I'm going to work on my eyelashes. I'm going to curl them, and I'm going to apply Maybelline's Lash Sensational Mascara. You can go ahead and add falsies if you would like to. This is a very easy eye makeup tutorial, you guys, just right under 5 minutes. And for that extra oomph, I'm going to add some rhinestones as the same shape as my eyeshadow. And here is the final look, you guys. I hope you enjoy watching this tutorial. If you did, don't forget to comment, like, share and subscribe to my channel Shimmers and polishes, and follow me on Instagram and Facebook as well. So this Valentine's Day, show some love to my channel by hitting that subscribe button, guys. There are many more tutorials, and some of the tutorials I'll be adding a card in during this tutorial, so you can check them out. And I love how this look turned out to be. Until next time, take care. Happy Valentine's. Love you. Bye bye.